Greetings, seekers of wisdom. Picture this. What if I told you that those moments pulling you down could actually be the launch pad propelling you to new heights? Today, we're immersing ourselves in the art of turning negatives into raw power. Ever seen an eagle soaring high above the storms, using the turbulence to climb even higher? We can learn from that majestic bird, turning challenges into opportunities. But hang on tight, because by the end, we've got a bonus revelation that's about to inject rocket fuel into your days. Let the journey to transformation commence. Negative emotions. We've all been there, right? The lows that feel like hurdles, weighing us down. But what if I told you they're not roadblocks? They're your personal trampoline to success. Imagine this. Just like the eagle uses the winds to ascend, you too can leverage negative emotions to rise above. In the next few minutes, I'll be your guide on this transformative journey, teaching you how to use negative emotions to advance. And, mark my words, the bonus tip awaiting you at the end is the secret sauce to turning every day into a triumph. Consider the honeybee, a creature that faces challenges head-on. When a bee encounters an obstacle, it doesn't give up. Instead, it navigates around, finding alternative routes to gather nectar. Just like the honeybee, we can learn to adapt and navigate through challenges, turning setbacks into opportunities for growth. As Winston Churchill once wisely said, success is not final. Failure is not fatal. It is the courage to continue that counts. Negative emotions are not the end. They are the raw material for your resilience. Embrace them, learn from them, and let them fuel your journey to success. Segment 1. The power within negative emotions. All right, imagine this. Negative feelings are like puzzle pieces, and we're here to decode the message. Ever had a bad day and wondered, what's the point? Well, those tough moments might just be opportunities for growth. Like when a seed faces darkness before sprouting into a strong plant, negative emotions can be the fertile soil for your personal development. Jean de la Bruyere once said, "Out of difficulties grow miracles." Segment 2. Fear to courage transformation. Let's talk fear, that instinct telling us to be cautious. But what if instead of running away, we faced it head-on? Think of fear as a guidebook, helping you discover courage you never knew you had. Like a butterfly emerging from a cocoon, your journey from fear to courage can be transformative, making you more resilient and ready to embrace challenges. Nelson Mandela wisely remarked, "Courage is not the absence of fear, but the triumph over it." Segment 3. Anger as a catalyst for productivity. We've all been there. Anger bubbling up inside. Now what if we took that energy and turned it into a superpower for productivity? Imagine anger as the engine revving up your focus and determination. Picture a blacksmith shaping metal with fire. Your anger can shape your goals and dreams. It's like turning frustration into a powerhouse for getting things done. Lee Iacocca's words echo the sentiment. In times of great stress or adversity, it's always best to keep busy, to plow your anger and your energy into something positive. Segment 4. Navigating sadness for self-discovery. Sadness can feel like sailing through stormy seas. But here's the thing. Those storms might be hiding treasures. Consider sadness as a compass, guiding you to undiscovered aspects of yourself. It's like going on a journey within, navigating the waves to find hidden strengths and resilience. Transforming sadness becomes a navigation tool for self-discovery and personal growth. Alain de Botton reflects on the good life, saying, "The good life is not one immune to sadness, but one in which suffering contributes to our development." Segment 5. Frustration, a pathway to innovation. Ever been frustrated because things just aren't working out? Well, guess what? That frustration might just be the secret path to awesome ideas. Think of it like a treasure map leading you to innovation. Much like Edison facing countless failures before the light bulb, your frustration can be a pathway to groundbreaking solutions. It's turning "I can't" into "I can find a way." Thomas A. Edison's resilient spirit shines through his words. I have not failed. I've just found 10,000 ways that won't work. In your hands, you hold the key to your transformation. Take these lessons not just as insights, but as the blueprint for your metamorphosis. Commit to these transformative tasks etched in your notebook. Let them be more than mere words, your daily allies on this journey. Write them down. Let the ink be the anchor to your commitment. Revisit them often, and with each revisit, witness the gradual unfolding of a profound transformation in your life. Remember, the pages of your notebook hold the power to rewrite your story. Nothing changes if you sit idle. Now is the moment to turn the wisdom gained from, as we gracefully conclude this empowering journey on how to use negative emotions to your advance. Envision the unlimited possibilities that await you. Your story doesn't end here. It's a continuous exploration of your potential. Remember to explore further by watching some previous videos, such as 10 Stoic lessons for dealing with disrespect and 7 things you should do every morning. I'm MD Shad Chowdhury, your companion on this expedition of transformation. Your journey is our inspiration. Now, before you embark on applying these transformative lessons, a gentle reminder: like, comment, and subscribe to Never Give Up YouTube channel for more insights and journeys of self-discovery. Your engagement fuels our shared pursuit of growth. Until we reconvene, keep turning negatives into triumphs, keep scripting your story, and above all, never give up. Onward to your extraordinary path, where every emotion becomes a stepping stone to your advancement. Thank you for being part of this empowering expedition.